Welcome back, students. So in this video you will learn about the storage of grain, and this is an important task of agriculture. Grains are stored taking many necessary precautions so that they last for long period and also to ensure that there is no shortage of food in case of crop failure. What are the needs for safe storage? First one is safe storage ensure availability of grains throughout the year. It facilitates the distribution to faraway places of a country. Food storage help in buffer stock for emergency period due to shortage of food or any natural calamity. Grain stored as stock for emergency is called buffer stock. Now, food materials can be broadly classified into two types on the basis of their durability. One is perishable food material and another is non perishable food material. So, first one is perishable food material. The food material which gets spoiled easily on keeping for some time at room temperature are called perishable food material. And this food material contains a lot of water. So, it contains a large amount of water. For example, vegetables, milk, fruits, fish and meat. So these materials are known as perishable food materials. Next one is non-perishable food material. The food material which do not get spoiled even on keeping for long time at room temperature are called non-perishable food material. These contain very less amount of water and are also called dry foods. For example, grains like wheat, rice, maize, and pulses and spices. So, all these materials are known as dry food or non perishable food material. For storage of grains, we will discuss here only dry storage method for grains. So, what is dry storage? The storage of food material at room temperature is called dry storage. This method is used for non perishable food material such as wheat, rice, pulses, etc. These materials do not require any special arrangement or facilities for their storage. At domestic level, these food materials are kept in tight containers which protect them from dust, moisture and insects. After harvesting, grains are dried in the sun because presence of moisture enhance the growth of the microorganism which can destroy the harvest crop. So what is sun drying? This is the traditional method of drying crops and grains using the energy of the sun to remove the moisture from the product. So sun drying is very important for the grains or the crops. Now, these grains are then stored in godowns or granary in metal or dried earthen pot or containers. They can also be stored in gunny bags or silos. Several precautions that should be taken for safe storage of the grains are as follows. The moisture content should be checked to prevent the growth of the microorganism. High temperature and high moisture affect the grain's quality in storage. High temperature and moisture favor development of insects and molds. Insects can develop at temperature below 10 degrees Celsius and moisture 9% in cereals. So the godown should be made free from the insect and microorganism by spraying appropriate chemicals before storing the grains in them. Next one is stored grain should be regularly inspected. inspected or regularly checked to ensure that there is no attack by insect or microorganism. Insect activity can often be detected by looking powdery material under the grain. So this is all about the storage of the grain. In next video you will learn about the nitrogen cycle. Thank you.